how to put captions in every photo of Facebook Lite. Welcome to How Logical. I'm up again with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can enhance your photos and post by adding captions. Facebook Lite may not have all the bells and whistles of the official app, but it certainly allows you to personalize your previously shared photos. To get started, open your Facebook Lite application, navigate to the profile section by clicking on your profile icon. As you scroll down, you will come across the photos and videos you have previously posted. You will also spot three dots there. Click on it and options will pop up where you will find Edit Post option. Click on Edit Post. Once you have entered the space, let your creativity flow by adding captions to your photos. Share your thoughts, memories or anything you want to convey with your audience. It's a simple way yet effective to get more content to your visual stories. Feel free to repeat this process for other photos you have already shared. Each caption can add a new layer to your content, making it more engaging for your audience. There you have it. You have successfully put captions in every photo of Facebook Lite. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.